We're here to talk about the new Axcess batch print utility. There's two components to this batch print utility. The first one is the print sets that you already have in Axcess Tax. If you're not familiar with print sets, they're located from your dashboard under Configuration and Return Print Sets. These print sets allow you to customize what prints with each return type and each copy type. For instance, with my individual federal accountant copy, I'm able to go in and suppress print the items that I do not want to generate and move things around as well. So if I want to change the order of things, for instance, I want all of my instructions at the very beginning with my payment vouchers right behind that, I can drag and drop to move things around for federal and each of my states. Currently, to go through this example, I've got three set up that we are going to look at together. So I've created one for the client return copy, the e-file signature pages for both federal and state, and my instructions and payment vouchers, again for both federal and state. Once these are created from the tax return, you are able to apply that print set to the different return copy types up above. This only allows you to print one print set per return though. So what the batch print utility is going to allow you to do is actually create a batch print so that you're able to do all three at the same time in this case. So being able to print my client return copy, my e-file signature pages, and my instructions and payment vouchers all at the same time, either in separate PDFs or in one PDF bundled together as bookmarks. So again, currently you have print sets in Axcess Tax, but you're limited to printing just one print set at a time for one client at a time. And the batch print utility is going to allow you to do multiple clients and multiple print sets at the same time. So now that we have an understanding of print sets, let's go and actually look at the new batch print utility together. So with the batch print, I'm able to do a single file per return, meaning those three print sets would all end up in the same PDF, or I'm able to do separate files for each print set. And that's the one we're going to look at today together. So to do this, I'm just going to choose where I want those files to go. And then you do have your filters going across the top, so you can filter by tax year, return type, signer, return group if you have those set up as well. And just for conversation purposes, I'm just going to do one to make it easy. But again, the benefit here is being able to do up to 50 all at the same time. Then I'm just going to walk through the next here, and this is where I'm actually going to do my batch setup. So for the first one, we'll have that client copy first. I'm just going to go ahead and name this. Then I'm going to add my second print set, and we'll do my e-file signature pages next. And then the third one, we will do the instructions and vouchers. At this point, hitting that submit button to run that print job. All right, that'll take a couple seconds to do. As that's processing, I'm just going to show you the single file just quickly so that you can kind of see what that would look like if I did just do one PDF with the three different print sets. So with one PDF and the three different print sets, it creates bookmarks for each print set. And I've got my tax return, again, federal and state. I have customized this, so my letters first, kind of followed by the output that I prefer, but totally up to you and your firm to kind of decide what that looks like for you. And then my e-file signature pages would be next, followed by my specific instructions and any payment vouchers for federal and state. The other option I've got is the one that we just did together, so my separate files per return. And that's going to give me the three print sets in multiple PDFs. So I think this is really nice for a client deliverable if you're doing like a portal or an email, just kind of separates things out for them, makes it a little bit easier if they're printing kind of those payment vouchers and whatnot, or if they're printing those e-file signature pages to send back to you, etc. All right, so just again, same print set, so it'll look very similar to what we just saw from the one PDF, but I've got just my tax return, same kind of breakdown there. Again, you can customize this however you want through those print sets. Separate with just my e-file signature pages, federal and my states, and then the third with the instructions and payment vouchers. Print sets are something that you already have access to with Axcess Tax, something that you can customize for all of the return types and then each copy type. With the batch print utility, the additional functionality you're going to get there is the ability to print multiple print sets at the same time for multiple clients, really maximizing the efficiency behind processing those tax returns and then that delivery that comes along with it.